try to stretch out Snickers, or tear up a McFlurry, or maybe roll out M&Ms, or take all the water out of a fish tank with your simple hand. Do you think we're breaking the laws of physics? Nope, these are our new candy slimes. Watch how to turn your favorite candies into edible slimes. Redhead eats M&Ms. Excellent! It's exactly what I need for my new slime. I just need a few candies and it's done. Melt gummy bears in a microwave. Add a few drops of yellow food coloring. Add equal amounts of starch and powdered sugar. Mix the slime until it stops sticking to your hands. Paint a plastic bucket with yellow spray enamel. Attach a picture of a yellow M&M's candy to the lid. Put in the slime and add a few candies. Redhead is bewildered. What are you doing? But she forgets about her candies as soon as she sees what I take out of my bucket. It's awesome M&M slime. You can stretch it out in different directions, but that's not all. It's edible too. Help yourself. Chocolate cookies and milk is a match made in heaven. But if you are bored with regular filling, take ours. It's colored slime. Take the cream out of Oreo cookies. Make white slime from melted marshmallow, powdered sugar, and starch. Separate it into 3 parts. Add a different food coloring into each part. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out the slimes. Cut out circles to be of the same size as Oreo cookies and put the colorful slimes into the chocolate cookies instead of the boring white filling. The colored Oreo is way more fun than the regular cookie. You can play with it and then dip it into the milk and eat. And the main question is, who will get the last bright cookie? A true fight for the Oreo begins. These clingy hands won't let anything go. The cookie can't stand this pressure. We break it in half so it's fair. My friend has gotten a Snickers drink. Excellent! It's exactly what you need on such a hot summer day. But it doesn't pour out for some reason. Is it finished? No, there is just sweet slime instead of a drink. Melt marshmallows in a microwave. Add Nutella and mix it nicely with a spoon. Knead the slime in your hands. Add some peeled nuts. Put the slime into an empty Snickers drink bottle. Take the stretchy Snickers out of the bottle. Wow! There are even real nuts in it. Play and have a snack at the same time. A regular Snickers seems so boring in comparison with this slime. We should make more funny slimes. Watching a movie with a friend is way more interesting. There is a movie called Slime Invasion. The universe is in danger. It is really thrilling. It's so great that we've got a big McFlurry slime. Take it in your hands and calm down. Wrap a blue foam rubber sheet around a big popcorn cup. Trim the edges. Attach a printed out McFlurry label. Melt marshmallows and put in equal amounts of starch and powdered sugar. Make the needed amount of slime. Put it into the cup and decorate it with colored Skittles candies on top. It turns out that it's not a thriller, it's a comedy. We are having so much fun, and the time flies so fast with the McFlurry slime. It's so sweet. Daisy snatches a big piece. Share with me, you greedy guts! It's a pity that the edible slime finishes before the movie does. Now I will have to be hungry until the end of the film. My friend and I are in donut paradise. I have a regular sweet donut, but my friend gets a sweet surprise. Her donut has a stretchy slime filling. Cut a donut in half. Cut out the middle. Melt gummy bears in a microwave.